streets. I used to love the trap, but now I love the beats. A skinny nigga, but my pockets fat, I love to eat. Ayy, can't even watch my figure, this shit keep getting bigger. They can quote me on this shit, I been said I'm that nigga, ayy. Who said I want hard as fuck, gon' make them reconsider, ayy. I get rest for breakfast, need a M like a McGriddle. How the fuck I'm up but still ain't satisfied? Cause I want more, this how you think when you unpacified. Ayy, they want me to fall like Humpty Dumpty on the wall, but all I do is ball, they see this shit and have withdrawals. They froze up when I was born, when I showed up ain't me no harm. Haters watching me just like Spike Lee front seat when I perform. Can't do shit for free, I'm charging them my whole leg and a arm. Fuck on niggas, bitches, have them trying shit you see on porn. Haters ain't on shit, they just gon' talk, but that is it. All y'all need to quit, stop kissing ass and get off dick. Catch me in the breeze, fuck Big Bad Wolf, cause we got sticks. I'm so close to rich, remember I was Jason Pitts. Ayy, life is what you make of it, for me been up attention. If we talking greatness, nigga 10 is who they mention. Put it in their faces, I can't wait, man, I been itching. Wake up, say my graces, eat all day, sleep in the kitchen. My life